a couple inches. A little more. I want to get right to here. A little more. All right, let's see if we can tie to that. Yeah, I just wanted to show the rebar. I got 3 sticks in there. Down in the cores about every 4 feet. I wanted to get the rebar in before I do the kickers. Because of course I got to put kickers in. Plus I had to push some dirt up against the bottom. Rake some more down. I'll just show you the rebar. Of course I ran into a problem down here with the beam. But, you know, I'm not drilling a hole through the beam. So sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. It's a little crooked down here because of the beam, but that's all right. Nobody's ever gonna see it. Got 3 sticks going down here too. So, I don't know what size rebar this is. I mean, I asked for number 4 rebar, 1/2 inch, but they gave me something else. So this is a 1/2 inch rebar here. So this here, it measures like 5/8. I don't know if it's 5/8 or 3/4. Looks like it measures 5/8. I don't know what you would consider it, but stuff's husky. So apparently they charged me the right way, but they gave me the bigger rebar. That's all right. I put it in. I didn't even notice until I got it here on the job. Unless this is the right rebar, I don't know. Maybe this is what they charged me for. It's 120 bucks for 12 20-footers. So that's like $10 a stick. I remember last time I bought it there, like 6 months ago or so, it was like $6. So maybe the guy accidentally gave me the wrong stuff. They were short-handed that day. But I got to put some kickers in now. All right, so I got my kickers in. I'm planning on pouring this tomorrow, which should be the next clip. Can't wait till this is poured. It's so hot out here. I mean, I'm the only stupid ass out here. Look, there's usually people walking dogs. I mean, there's nothing but me. All right, so I'm at Fasano Brothers. Pretty big place. But this is where I got the rebar at. So I looked at the receipt and yeah, I paid for the number 4 1/2 inch. So we're gonna go in and see if we can pay the difference. What's up, buddy? I came in the other day and got some rebar.
Okay.
And it's number 4 1/2 inch. And the guy gave me number 5. So I want to pay the difference. It was hot that day, you know, you were short-handed.
So you already got it cut?
No, he didn't cut it. I took 20-foot bars.
Okay. So you already got it though?
I already got it.
Okay. So yeah.
You're not worried about it?
Nah, it's our mistake, so don't worry about it.
Oh, all right. All right, thanks, buddy.
Thanks.
Yo. So there you go. They're not worried about it. Rebar is pretty cheap anyway, I guess. But I had to come back because, you know, what's in the dark always comes to light. Always. So the building inspector just left. I mean, it's only 12 o'clock. I was hoping to get the concrete today. Well, no, can't get it. Nobody can do it today, so I got a schedule for tomorrow. So I'm just gonna upload this video, stop this one. I think this one's getting too long. So I'll upload this video and then I'll hopefully have the concrete one. Well, since tomorrow's Friday, I'll pour the concrete tomorrow. I'll either have it done tomorrow night or Saturday. But he came up, he said, you're good to go. As soon as he saw the number 5 rebar. So this is one of them times where someone else's mistake helped me out. He loved seeing that rebar. He said, do it, pour it. He took a couple of pictures and that was it. He left. So yeah, I know I babbled on the one clip. I was babbling about the rebar, talking about they charge me right. Don't mind me, it's probably the heat, you know? Also, for those of you that watch my other videos about this beam over here that are curious about it, I am too. I'm curious myself. So I realized my customer has the OG prints from this house when they built it back in '69. So she's not here today. She's a doctor's appointment. So when I get them, I might do a little video on this because I'm curious. You know, I don't understand why there's just one I-beam here. You know what I mean? It literally cracked the concrete floor. The crack goes all the way over. Just doesn't make sense. Why one beam? But I just don't understand why this beam is here. I mean, back in the day, the first concrete company I worked for, well, construction company, I mean, we did a lot of concrete work, but we also did a lot of building new stuff. And we put an addition on a church. And it had steps to go down. And in the addition, an elevator got installed. So, I mean, above the steps, we had to do a sidewalk where people can go in the first floor, people could still go down the steps. It was kind of a circus, but I mean, what you would do there is you put a steel lintel on one side, bolt it to the wall, put a steel lintel to the other side, bolt it to the wall, and then you put the corrugated metal. Then you pour concrete on that. But I've never seen just sticking a beam like this and then pouring concrete over it. I mean, that's what you're gonna get every time. You're gonna get crack.